Hello everyone, can you say hello Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done everyone. Are you ready to see what's inside Snowy's box today? Can you say hello to Snowy? Say hello. It's giving you a wave everybody. Have you got some things in your box for us today, Snowy? Oh, he has, boys and girls. Are you ready to see what's inside Snowy's box? Let's sing our song and find out. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's shaking a lot. Oh, we have these in schools and we write on them, don't we? Does anybody know what this is? It's a whiteboard. Whiteboard. My turn. Whiteboard. Your turn. My turn again. Whiteboard. Your turn again. Well done. So Snowy has started off with a whiteboard. I like whiteboards because we can write on them and rub them off and use them again and again and again. Shall we see what else is in Snowy's box? I'm going to pop it underneath Snowy. Let's sing a song. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, what's this, boys and girls? What you say? It's water. It's been very hot recently. We've needed lots of water, drinking lots and lots to keep us healthy and hydrated. My turn. Water. Your turn. My turn again. Water. Your turn again. Well done, everybody. So in our box, we've got water, whiteboard. I wonder what else might be in Snowy's box. Let's sing our song and find out. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. What's this? Anybody know? It's a wallet. Daddies usually have one of these. It's a wallet. My turn. Wallet. Your turn. My turn again. Wallet. Your turn again. Fantastic. So inside a wallet you would keep some money. You might keep some cards. That's what adults keep to pay for things, driving license, important things. So it's very important. So if you ever see a wallet somewhere and it looks like it's lost, tell an adult. So we've got wallet, water, whiteboard. I wonder what else is inside Snowy's box. Let's sing and find out. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's a jumpy box today. What's this, everybody? It's a watch. A watch. We wear a watch to tell the time. Watch. Your turn. My turn again. Watch. Your turn again. Well done. So in Snowy's box we've got watch, water, wallet, and whiteboard. I wonder what else is inside Snowy's box. Shall we sing and find out? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. It's a wire. Yeah, we need wires, don't we? So wires charge up our phones, our tablets, our computers. Lots of different things that we need wires for. So this is a wire to charge a mobile phone. So I'm just going to wrap it up to keep it nice and safe. My turn. Wire. Your turn. Excellent. My turn again. Wire. Your turn again. Well done. So we've got a wire, watch, water, wallet, whiteboard. I think there's one last thing in the box before it's empty. Are you ready to find out with me? Let's sing our song. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, these are a type of nut. They're walnuts. Let me show you one. Can you see that? Walnut. So my turn. Let me just close the lid. We don't want the walnuts going everywhere, do we? There's loads of them in there. My turn. Walnut. Your turn. My turn again. Walnut. Your turn again. Well done, everyone. So in Snowy's box today, there were walnuts, water, wire, watch, wallet, and a whiteboard. So let's pop all of Snowy's things on top of his box with Snowy. There's a wallet, water, wire, walnut, and watch. Put that on Snowy's paw, I think. There we go. Now he's wearing his watch. So today's sound, everybody, was w. It's a quiet sound. It's not a long sound, so it's short. W. And my mouth makes a round circle. W. When I say it, w. So it goes in and then out my lips. W. My tongue stays down inside my mouth behind my teeth, my lower teeth. W. So have a go at finding things that begin with w and let somebody know. I think you've done some fabulous listening in phonics today. So I think we should give ourselves a round of applause. Are you ready? Well done me. Remember, one video a day, and I'll see you for some phonics again soon. Can you say bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done. Can you say bye, everyone? Your turn. Well done, everyone. I'll see you again soon.